But and give her a bum a scratch. She likes having her bum scratched as well. She goes silly. Lovely girl. So yeah, when you're allowed to wander around, hey, you're getting excited, hey? Yeah, you can give her a bum a scratch, and yeah, she sometimes even rolls onto her back and does the leg thing. So yeah, she's just lovely. And if you're wondering what that is, it's a tail, like useless in every way, but still a tail all the same. Look how tiny that is. Usually her eyes boggle open when I do that, or touch her pouch, but yeah, she's in a good mood today, aren't you? And her right foot's ticklish as well. She's lovely, she's just the perfect animal to me, but I'm not allowed to take her home. I've already asked my boss, she's only lived down the road, so, but yeah, I've got 5 cats as well. So he said no. They chew up the foundation of your house in a second, so.
Wait. No! Leave that. Digger. Digger. Here we go. Okay. No!
Fetty, fetty, dig. Fetty, fetty, dig. Hey, fetty, fetty, dig. Hey. No. 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 Digger. No. Digger. Don't be a bitch. No. I'm not going to talk to you if you do that. Go to grass. Go to grass.